we are going to differentiate ln of 1 over x. And for this one, we can do some algebra first before we do calculus. Take a look right here, 1 over x, and that's actually the same as x to the negative 1. And the reason that we want to do that is because x to the negative 1 instead of the logarithm, by one of the log properties, we can put the power to the front. And this is not the power rule for derivative, so do not minus 1. This right here is just the log property, and of course we have natural log, so this right here still applies. So in fact, we will just have negative ln x, and that's the y. And now we can just look at this and differentiate. So y prime is going to be the negative stays, and the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. And that's it. So this is the derivative for ln of 1 over x. However, if the question is written this way, you just have to be really careful. If we happen to have 1 over ln x like this and that are very different. Here, the ln is on the bottom, alright? So, right here we have two ways to do it. The first way is we can use the quotient rule, but that is a little bit longer. The other way, it's better. Here's how. 1 over ln x. We can put this up, but that will be raised to a negative 1 power. So we will just have parentheses with ln x inside, and then raise that to the negative 1 power. And that's the most algebra that we can do. Now we can actually use the power rule for derivative. You see how we put down y prime? So we are, in business. We are talking business. We are doing the calculus. We are going to put the power to the front, and then minus 1, this is the power rule for derivative, right? So let me just write this down. Power rule for derivative, ddx for derivative. Earlier, it was just a log property. You see, from here to here, it was still the original y. But for this, we are talking about the derivative. All right, so we have negative right here, and the input stays the same. And then negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. And you know it, we're not done yet. We will have to use the chain rule. Multiply by the derivative of this, which is 1 over x. Alright? And in fact, we can kind of clean things up a little bit. We have negative 1 on the top, over, let's put the x down right here. And we can put this down on the bottom as well. And that will be ln x in a parentheses and raised to the positive second power. And that will do it.